Welcome to You Can Cook. I'm Dave, and today we're going to be making grilled cheese. Stick with me for the journey. Hope you learned something. See you at the end. Today is grilled cheese day. We're going to make American and Swiss grilled cheese sandwiches. So what we need is a few slices of sourdough bread, some softened butter, 2 slices of American, and 2 slices of Swiss, and then something to spread your butter with on your bread before we put it on the griddle. All right, so for today, pretty simple process. What we're gonna do is we're gonna make 2 cheese grilled cheese. First thing you wanna do is you wanna get your bread. I like to use a nice sourdough bread. And you're gonna take these and you're just gonna lightly butter. You can also use mayonnaise here. You're just gonna lightly butter each piece of bread. You want to sit this on your plate here with the butter side up so you don't get your plate all messy. But we're going to go ahead and butter these. Then we will come back and we'll put the cheese on them and get them on. I was going to use my induction burner, but it's super noisy and I don't quite have the noise canceling figured out on the microphones yet. So I went and got my handy dandy griddle. Love this thing. I use it all the time anyway. You'll see in some of the pictures it's a pretty used piece of equipment. But I've been letting it warm up for about 5-6 minutes. Set it on 350. Had to turn it down a little bit. It got a little hot, so we'll go ahead and turn it back up to 350. What you're going to do now is you're just going to take your grilled cheese sandwiches, or your what will be grilled cheese sandwiches, and you're going to put them on your griddle here. All right, we're gonna let these cook. We're probably gonna let them cook about 2 minutes each side. We'll check them and see how they look. All right, so these things have been going for about 2 minutes. Let's see if we can't get under there and see how they look. Oh yeah, that looks really good. So we're gonna go ahead and just flip this over on the other side. Make sure our bread is good and lined up. Let's see how this one looks. Oh, about the same. Wow. Okay. Those already look delicious. So, again, we're gonna let them go for about 2 minutes on this side. Then we'll cut them and we'll taste them. You gotta pat your grilled cheese. Treat them like a baby. They love to be patted. Just a wee little grilled cheese sandwich. It's been about 2 more minutes here. Let's check them. Oh, that still needs a little time. This is where patience pays off, because you can get impatient with these things and you're like, I need a grilled cheese sandwich. So I think we're going to let these go for about another 30 seconds. Keep an eye on them at this point. You don't want them to get black. Now the wife loves them burnt. She likes a burnt grilled cheese sandwich. Me, myself personally, I like them like this. I like them perfect. And the sourdough, it's something about the sourdough. It just grills up really nice. So let's look at them again. Oh yeah. Yeah, there you go. Take a look at that. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. Woo, that's a little hot. All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take these, set them aside, and we're going to cut them and eat them. Well, not both of them, but you know, we're going to try them. And I think I got the wrong spatula. This one's a little thick today. We're going to go ahead and slice a tomato up to have with our grilled cheese sandwiches. So we'll set this aside over here. Let's see if we can hear this. Oh, listen to that. So And that is your simple and easy grilled cheese sandwich. Thanks for sticking around to the end, guys. I appreciate you watching my video. If this helped you out at all, if you got any good information out of it, like, subscribe, share the video to somebody you think is trying to learn how to cook. Let's taste these things. Love a good grilled cheese sandwich. Oh my God, that is so good. Wish I had some tomato soup. That would make this perfect. Anyway, have a good day. Heathen, talking with my mouth full. Super good sandwich. Love a grilled cheese. Have a good day. See you next time. Yum.